Yeah, so traditionally a satellite takes anywhere from 1 year to as high as 5 years to build. They're very complex systems. There's about 1,000 steps and milestones that you have to achieve technologically. Testing, integrating, testing, and continuing that. Um, what what makes us unique is that we've essentially redesigned the satellite to be more like Legos, where you can take what we call modules and click them together like you would Legos and make different shapes. But what really makes this different is traditionally you would have to have wires for every Lego, and you would need to have big wiring harnesses. And I mean, we're talking hundreds of pounds of wires for a big satellite. It's pretty intense. So we've been developing wireless satellites. And we don't mean wireless like communicating between satellites wires. We mean the components on the satellite, the computer system, the payloads, all the different tech can be wireless. Because if you eliminate the wires and connectors, well, all of a sudden you can build satellites a lot faster and a lot cheaper, and you don't have all that integrate test. You can test what we call as you fly, which is really a whole new concept of, hey, I want to put this thing in space. I don't want to deal with all the engineering and the labs and the wires and the tests. I just want this wireless dongle I can plug it into, connect it to my Wi-Fi router that connects to Modularity, and be able to build my satellite.